Power grid has been the backbone of modern civilization for over a century. Reliable, predictable, governed by the unchanging laws of physics. A world well understood. But our understanding of that world is changing. Electrical load is surging like never before. Artificial intelligence consuming power at a scale we've never seen. American manufacturing coming back online. Transportation continuing to electrify. Some estimates suggest that by 2030 we'll add the equivalent of 15 times the power demand of New York City, pushing the grid beyond what it was ever designed to handle, and driving its evolution into something closer to an intelligent computer network. This is the most complicated infrastructure build in over a century, the kind of challenge that defines careers, draws the best minds in the world, and rewards them for it. The energy sector isn't just growing, it's being reinvented, and it needs engineers bold enough to lead that charge. That's exactly why EPIC exists. Over 500,000 new jobs are projected in the energy sector by 2030, and EPIC was created by the industry to meet this very moment. Connecting students directly to the employers, the problems, and the possibilities shaping the future of energy. We work with leading companies across the Carolinas and the nation to develop graduates who stand apart from their peers. Tomorrow's grid will take a different mindset to build. EPIC exists to make sure that Charlotte engineering graduates are the ones who build it.